Sometimes when you're prescribed some medication, you will often hear something like this: please take this medication in combination with lifestyle modifications or lifestyle changes. This rule also applies to people who have peptic ulcer. Hi, welcome once again to this channel. Today we're going to be looking at why caffeinated drinks or energy drinks are bad for you if you have peptic ulcer. Increased stomach acid production. See, your energy drinks and some of your sodas contain some level of caffeine, and what this caffeine does is that it secretes more production of acid in the sense that you're an ulcer patient and your body is already overloaded with acid. So caffeine comes and increases the production of acid. This can cause you so much discomfort and so much irritation in your stomach. High caffeine content. Your energy drinks, most of them have high caffeine levels. Your sodas, some of them contain some amount of caffeine as well. And what caffeine does is that it relaxes your lower esophageal sphincter, and this can cause reflux that can cause you so much pain, discomfort. Let me explain what this means. Your esophagus is more like a pipe that connects your mouth to your stomach. So when your food is done being emptied into your stomach, the sphincter, which is more like a door, shuts up. It is not meant to be open unless there's a need for you to eat again. But what caffeine does is that it relaxes this door or sphincter and causes the acidic content in your stomach to be pushed back into your esophagus. And when this happens, it causes you serious burning sensation, carbonation, and gas formation. Most of the sodas produce this fizzy kind of sound, and that causes a whole lot of gas production in your stomach. And when this happens, when there's so much gas in your stomach, the next thing is you're bloated, and this can cause you so much discomfort. Additives and preservatives. Your energy drinks, your carbonated drinks, most of them contain citric acid, and what this does is that it irritates your stomach and causes you so much discomfort. Sugar overload. An average carbonated drink or even your energy drink contains 10 to 15 cubes of sugar. This is so much. What this does is that it slows down digestion process, and when your digestion process is slowed down, it causes gas formation in your stomach. And when gas is formed in your stomach, it will cause bloating. And we all know what happens when we're bloated. We don't feel ourselves. We are so much in discomfort. This is what carbonated drinks can do to you if you are an ulcer patient. So if there's a need for you to take any drink, please consult to be sure that your drink it doesn't have so much sugar and that it does not have caffeine. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video.